Welcome back everyone. Today I've got a really fun recipe to do. I'm going to be making some strawberry bubble tea or boba tea. The kids love these and there's so many ways to mix up the flavors. Today we're going with strawberry, black tea and some brown sugar tapioca pearls. The first step is to make a cup of strong black tea. Let it cool down to room temperature, or even better, put it in the fridge until you're ready to use it. Next up, I'm going to make the strawberry milk base in the Vibe blender, and at the same time, I've got a pot of boiling water on the stove ready to make the tapioca pearls. Wash, hull and half 250 grams of strawberries and add them to the blender jug. Add half a cup of the milk of your choice. Today we're going with full cream, and blend on smoothie mode for 30 seconds. Set this aside while you cook the boba pearls. Next, cook 250 grams of brown sugar tapioca pearls according to the packet instructions. These may vary according to which brand you have. When the pearls are done, drain them through a sieve and rinse them briefly under cold water to cool them down and wash away any excess starch. Then add them to a small bowl and stir through 3 to 4 tablespoons of maple syrup. This will help make a really nice sweet syrup, but it also helps to keep the bubbles separate. So all my elements are ready now and it's time to assemble. I'm going to start by dividing up my boba pearls between 2 large glasses. I've also got some ice cubes, so make sure that you have some ready in the freezer before you start all of this. Add a handful of ice to each glass, then add the tea, and finally finish off with that strawberry milk. To complete the experience, get your hands on some large straws. You can find those online or at some supermarkets. So there you go, a great little refreshing treat to try for yourself at home and make it your way. Use the Vibe blender to create your own flavor combinations and let us know what you come up with in the comments section below. As always, if you want to see more of our Luvele Life content, then hit subscribe so you don't miss out. And if you enjoyed this video today, then give it a like for us, and we'll be back really soon with another Luvele Life recipe.